Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my crustiness, but I wanted to do a first impressions review of Huda Beauty's new N.Y.M.P.H Not Your Mama's Pantyhose All Over Body Highlighter. They look so pretty. Like, let's cry for a sec. Only me, honestly. Only I would drop that just everywhere. Comes with this little brush to apply it with, but I'm gonna first do my face makeup before I apply it on my body anywhere. So it comes in these three colors: Luna, Aphrodite, and Aurora. Hopefully these colors are showing up good. I'm super excited to do a look with these. I don't know why I look like a potato head, but it's fine. We're gonna take this out later. So I washed my face and I sunscreened it. This look is going to be really simple, kind of an easy sunny day look. Should only take like 15 minutes. So I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Complexion Perfection Matte and Hydrating Base. I start off with the hydrating, and I just apply this all over. Want to keep that skin hydrated. And then I just go in with the matte one right in my T-zone. Okay, so before I put on my foundation, I'm going to be going in with some Aphrodite, just kind of all over the place. So Aphrodite is this color. And I'm just gonna, oh shoot, will this be too much? We about to find out. I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Cosmetics. It's just a flat blending brush. And I'm just going to get this all over my face. I may have put a bit too much on. Should I put on my eyes too? Of course. Why not? Slap it everywhere. You want to look like a golden robot when you're done this. We're going to slide in with our foundation. And I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Beige. Alright, let's hope I can save myself here. But I think I definitely rushed up. Okay, this is looking promising. I'm going to contour my face a little bit with Aurora. This is Aurora's coloring. I'm just going to go in, you know, dotting this around the face. Then I'm going to blend that out using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. Starting with the nose, then the cheek. I hope this doesn't dry too fast. Alright, and then I'm just going to hit myself with some concealer, and this is Tarte Shape Tape in medium. Not going to go into too much. Just a good amount. And I'm going to set this using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush for this. I'm going to set my entire face with this, using that same Huda Beauty powder on a big fluffy brush. And using the lighter one, this one's like a white gold. I'm just going to pop a bit of this on my cheekbone and blend that in. Brow bone, inner corner, pop some on my nose, I'm just gonna put some lip balm on my lips before. Now I'm just gonna brush any powder out of my eyebrows. To complete this look, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. I'm gonna be going in with Lancome's Monsieur Big. Guys, how is this mascara so good? I don't know. So today I'm going to be using a gloss, but first I'm just going to line my lips using Whirl by M.A.C because that's really close to my natural lip color. And then filling that in using Too Faced's High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Pretty Penny. For the rest of my body, I'm going to be going in, and I think I'm going to mix the two lightest ones, Luna and Aphrodite, because I think that'll be better. I'm just going to pump some good pumps on the back of my hand here and mixing that up. I actually probably should have added some of that brown one in, but let's see what happens here. Alright, so I'm pretty red from trying to rub this in. The brush is kind of rough, so I don't think that I'd recommend that. Yeah, use your hands to apply it, it's a lot better. I'm just gonna pop the bright one on to the high places. Just gotta wait for my skin to calm down a little bit. It's red. Look at that. Cute. So it is really pretty. And if you add it to a body lotion, it's gonna definitely be a little bit less pigmented, which might be super nice for by the pool or something. I'm thinking this product is a yes. It could blend out a little bit better, but you know what? Once you get it blended, look at this. That is some shine. What? If this is transfer proof, well, I mean, it's staying on my hands and I'm rubbing it and it's like, nah. So I'm just gonna say this stuff is pretty good. I really like it. I really, really like it. And yeah, that's about it. I love it. There you have it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Also, leave any questions or requests for future videos below in the comments. Don't forget to click that little bell icon if you want to get notifications for when I post a new video. I love you guys so much, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.